It's 2021. Do you know that the average US commercial building is 53 years old? The vast majority of these buildings, from offices, hotels, to schools and healthcare facilities, have not caught up to smart, sustainable technology that customers demand. It's simply too expensive to close down and invest in reconstruction to modernize these spaces. At least it was. We're here to change that. I'm Yanni Deros, CEO of CIRQ+, an autonomous platform that combines AI, cloud, IoT, big data, and autonomous robots to transform these commercial properties, finally bringing them into the 21st century. Our technology solution is an affordable, simple way to retrofit existing spaces with zero construction impact, allowing us to effortlessly modernize a typical room in under an hour. Using our patented wireless mesh network, we're able to automatically control a room in a way that provides a state-of-the-art energy management system while keeping rooms safe and clean. This is all accomplished through our unified technology platform that connects through our Smart Room Hub. This is a patented modular system. It enables full automation with IoT controls for touchless temperature, lighting, disinfecting, and other amenities. We are able to streamline operating costs and enhance the user experience, creating an irresistible offering for property owners. With embedded occupancy sensors, the CIRQ+ platform knows when a room is empty and can turn off the lights, roll back HVAC settings, and even return the room to a previous setting when someone re-enters, so it's like they never left. This goes a long way to help our customers save between 20 to 50% on their energy costs, which equates to lowering their second highest operating expense. With all this, we can deliver a positive ROI in just 1 to 2 years in many cases. As a user, you can travel anywhere that is a CIRQ-enabled property, transfer your preferences via the cloud platform, and ensure a personal and memorable experience. If that wasn't cool enough, in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, we leveraged our CIRQ+ platform to launch Cbot, the world's first autonomous touchless disinfection system. Cbot is a robotic electrostatic sprayer that autonomously navigates a room, treating spaces against COVID-19 and other pathogens. Requiring no manual labor, Cbot reduces human error, protects frontline workers, streamlines costs, and gives people confidence to re-enter the space safely today and in the future. To bring our technology to market, we partnered with Arrow Electronics, the largest electronics supplier in the world, to support CIRQ+ and Cbot through production and manufacturing. And to date, we have secured over $40 million in commitments. With this new disinfecting robot, we are rapidly expanding into other vertical commercial markets ranging from schools, offices, healthcare facilities, and more. As technologists, we have a robust roadmap of additional disruptive innovations planned. Because of our future-proof platform, customers will be primed to adapt our new technologies with ease and convenience via a simple subscription model. Every product we develop goes through our proprietary product development and innovation process to transform businesses globally. The CIRQ+ platform is the first technology solution we decided to bring to market ourselves. We have conducted extensive global research, speaking to thousands of potential customers to address their unmet needs. We are confident we have de-risked this platform as we launch this disruptive innovation. It is a timely solution that is primed for adoption across many vertical markets, addressing industry-wide pain points. With your investment, we can expand our patented technology across these markets to make CIRQ+ a global solution. Our vision for the future is a CIRQ-enabled world where commercial properties can reduce their carbon emission, cut exorbitant energy costs while providing healthy, safe spaces for all. Invest today and join us in building a CIRQ+ world. Thank you.